Hey, welcome back. It's your boy Soul from Soul Star Sketching. How you doing today? The next piece that I saw on the list, it said for Inktober, said sour. I had to kind of think kind of hard on this one because I'm like, okay, there's a lot of sour things, but what do you mean sour? What? That's so vague. The entire list itself is extremely vague. Like some of this is simple, and others get like more and more ridiculous to the point where even I'm just scratching my head like, what the hell are you talking about, man? Like that. So anyway, I just started drawing up a few things, and I ended up with just drawing a lemon. But I didn't want to just draw just a lemon. It's like it's a lemon, okay? Do something with it, man. I gotta make it a little interesting. So I have a chopped up lemon. This lemon is chopped up like crazy, and that's what I'm gonna stick with. I'm gonna stick with it. You don't like it? Too bad. I'm sticking with it. This is all I got, man. It's really hard to come up with stuff near the end of this last bits of Inktober / Vlogtober, but I'm still very grateful what I got through anyway, because man, I'm going all over the list, by the way. If anyone even finds that list, you'll notice I'm not going on every single day specifically. I'm just picking one every day and I just go for it. It doesn't matter what the hell it is. I don't care what day it is. I'm going for it, bro. But yeah, Inktober / Vlogtober is going to be reaching the very end soon, particularly on at this week. So I'm going to wrap it up. Probably, we'll say Saturday, Sunday. Probably, we'll see. Anyway, I just want to make sure that you get the idea of what I'm doing here, and hope you have fun enjoying watching me just do these and make a whole bunch of smart-ass commentaries that go along with it. Alright, anyway, please subscribe to the channel when you can. And if you feel like helping out the channel a little bit, you can either join the channel. That's an awesome way. By the way, you're a great person to join the channel. Or you can also go to my Patreon. It's patreon.com/porn. Or you even check out my website with my art commissions and art merchandise and whatnot, or just look at my gallery, and that's at soulstarsketching.weebly.com. Alright, I'm gonna let you go. Soulstar is out, and please share around these videos. I want you to just go and share them around for me, do for your boy Soul, do for him. Go and do it. Go ahead. Alright, go ahead. Go. Take care.